We are definitely filming a bit of a different video today. We're gonna go over my fall outfit, but the kicker is I filmed this last week and my mic somehow disconnected and it literally sent me into an oblivion, and I was like, I do not want to refilm this outfits video. But I was gonna refilm it, obviously, because that's what you do. But then we all got hit with a head cold that I think everyone and their mother has right now. And I just don't think I have energy to try on all the outfits. And something about when I film these outfits videos, I swear I'm like in a different life. I've cut so many outfits from these kind of outfits videos because I'm like, what was I thinking? And I feel like sometimes you see them too and you're like, Lainey, these outfits weren't it. There's something about just like getting dressed in front of a camera that's so different than getting dressed in real life. But also I think we've all had outfits that we wear in real life and we're like, why did we wear that? I just have them a million times more because I'm coming up with so many more outfits. I haven't watched this video back because again, it's hurting me that like the mic just didn't work because I thought it was a really cute video. So I'm basically gonna talk through it and watch it with you guys, and I'll talk about what I talked about in the video as well as some things I'm seeing now that maybe I would change. Before we get into this video though, I wanted to say thank you so much to Fabrique for sponsoring. You guys know I absolutely adore Fabrique. So many of my all-time favorite pieces in my closet are from Fabrique. We'll talk about them in a little bit, but such amazing quality pieces. This first outfit are a pair of like capri gaucho pants that look like a skirt. I am obsessed with these pants. They're super pleated. The waistband is so cute, and I liked how I dressed it up in this more like office workwear kind of way. I feel like I don't normally dress like this, so I don't know where I'd wear this outfit. I love how the pants look apart though. I like the shoes I picked. Glad I did no socks with those, and yeah, I think it meshes really well. Then this bag is from Fabrique and it's insane. You can't go wrong with suede for the fall time, and I love how it feels like a pop of color when it's still in neutral with an outfit like this. And you guys know I don't like to match my shoes and bags, so I think that looks good. They're coordinated but not matching. It's a cute outfit. I have nothing bad to say about it. And you'd be like, you literally filmed this last week. Why would you not like the outfit already? I do that often. Okay, then I went to go try it on with different shoes because I've been talking about completing that line recently. And the moto boots I wasn't obsessed with, and so I tried these thigh-high boots that you can't even tell they're thigh-high. And I actually love how the color is a lot different than like the black moto boot. I feel like it almost blended too much. I adore this outfit. I like this one so much better. And I think this is why it's so important to play with your clothes and not just put on the first outfit you think is going to work. So I love the mismatched suedes, and I love how the top and bottom basically just mesh into one and the accessories really stand out. That's one of my favorite ways to like style an outfit, is kind of a monochromatic top and bottom and then bold accessories. I have this denim shirt from Fabrique, and I've been wanting like a denim shirt like this with a contrast collar. It's kind of giving barn jacket, which I think are going to be so big this fall, or already are. I have to sneeze. I love how the suede bag from Fabrique pairs with the brown cowboy boots. This is like a Canadian tuxedo outfit, but the top doesn't really feel as denim as the jeans. And I know some people are very against like mismatched denim washes, but I actually love it. I think it looks more lived in. I think it looks more natural. I also love matching the denim washes, and I feel like when you're going to do a mismatched denim like that, you have to make sure the bag and the shoes really go well together, and in this case they do. Then I wanted to try it tucked in with these high-waisted jeans, and the same jeans I had on. I just tucked the shirt in, but I don't like how this looks at all. Maybe it would need a belt or something, but I just love the silhouette of that top. This dress I feel like just solidifies every reason I love Fabrique. Their dresses are absolutely perfection. This plaid dress reminds me of something I had back in 2019 from Princess Polly. The Princess Polly version literally felt it was like screen printed on plaid. It like didn't feel like it was in the fabric. It felt like it was made out of a tissue paper. But I love that dress, and for some reason I ended up selling it or donating it, and I've missed it ever since. And this is the elevated version. Like the pleating in the side and the kind of like funky asymmetrical neck with the asymmetrical hem. I paired it with the two suede boots and bag again, and like the dress obviously is like monochromatic in the sense of the top and bottom match. Obviously, it's a dress. So again, I think this purse and shoe works together. This dress is going to be like go-to anytime I need to dress up this fall. This is like my perfect outfit. And next summer, I know I'm going to be wearing this plaid dress all the time. So I'm excited to style it in that way too. Something I love about Fabrique is like they know when to put a pocket in a dress and when not to. This dress doesn't have pockets because I feel like it would mess with the silhouette. But every other dress I have from Fabrique has pockets, and you can't tell it has pockets. Like they just get it. And I want to see how it would look with a belt, because I have styled this dress with this brown belt, and like I like it, but I don't think you need it. Something with a dress like this, it's cool to be able to style it with belts and see how many different ways it can look. I love this pop of red like suede belt. I thrifted it, and pairing it with this dress just makes it feel a lot more dressed up and cutesy, and again, just like a totally different dress, which I love when dresses can do that and really mend with your style. Okay, so this is actually the skirt version of that dress. You can tell it's a lot different, like hem and silhouette. It has so much fabric, as you can tell by the spinning, where it ripples. And I've been looking for a skirt like this for so long, and I actually found one on Tory Burch, but I'm pretty sure it's over $1,000. And I couldn't find a skirt that replicated this flow of fabric. And that's something I love so much about Fabrique, is they have these designer level silhouettes and cuts and fabrics and designs, and they make them so much more affordable without sacrificing any of the luxury feeling. Yeah, so this skirt like literally saved me $1,000, and I think it looks so cute dressed down with a sweater. The sweater is also from Fabrique. It's that purple color I've been talking about that I think is going to be trending this fall, and this outfit looks so high fashion. Like this looks like something you would see on the streets of New York Fashion Week. Is that crazy? I don't think so. I think it's a really good outfit. Maybe I would change my bra out. I don't have that. Oh, well, I have a better bra. I could probably wear with it, or just do like a t-shirt underneath, because I'm not loving that right now. And that's something that's like hard to see, not on camera. Sometimes just the camera picks up things so differently. So it is good to film your outfits and then look at it. But then this bag, I love how the suede doesn't really match anything going on. It makes it feel more lived in, effortless, like it's your everyday bag that you just throw everything in and you grab it every single day. What an everyday bag is, please, Lainey. I love it. I love a mismatched purse, because that's how I normally am day to day. I don't switch out my purse every day, and this is my fall purse right now, so it goes on whether it matches the outfit or not. But when it doesn't, it's all the better, in my opinion. Okay, then I wanted to just dress down the skirt real quick. This is giving, I was saying, like school uniform. I still think it's really cute. It's like high fashion school uniform. And now looking at it, maybe I wouldn't do the tennis shoes, but I think I was just trying to style it in like how I would wear it day to day. I did the ankle socks, which I like, but I would probably do like a loafer with this. Just like I think a black leather shoe would be a better fit. Maybe even the moto boot. If you guys have never heard of Fabrique before, where have you been on my channel? They partner with over 350 exceptional designers worldwide, including talents who have worked with luxury fashion brands like Hermes, Dior, and Louis Vuitton. Each piece at Fabrique is a limited edition creation, keeping your style unique and elusive. Like I was talking about with the Tory Burch, Fabrique makes it possible to own luxury items at a more affordable price. My favorite thing about Fabrique is you get to see who designed the clothes, and it feels like a more luxurious experience knowing who crafted these pieces. It feels more like the art of it instead of just clothes. And every time I get a piece from Fabrique, I always say this, but you can tell that it was made by somebody who thought someone's gonna wear these clothes and they're gonna know I made it. Whether it's the pockets in the dresses or the zippers, the buttons, like everything about the garments just makes sense, and can't explain how nice that is to put on something like that compared to other items. So the purse that I keep talking about was designed by Valeria Masai. She's been with Fabrique since 2024 and is a former Bottega Veneta women's leather goods director. She's a former Prada accessories development and assistant style designer, and her notable work spans Miu Miu, Jill Sander, Helmut Lang, Christian Dior, and Bulgari. Purse, you can tell that everything was thought of and is crafted. The shape of it, how it lays when you fill it, how it lays when it's empty, how it sits on your arm, the pockets. The pockets make sense for everyday life, but they fit into the design and don't feel like they were just an afterthought of, oh, they need somewhere to put their phone. I love how big and spacious it is without ever feeling cluttered. It can hold a 13-inch laptop, which is so important to me. There's 3 ways to wear it. You can hand carry it, put it over your shoulder or crossbody. There's 18 karat gold electroplated hardware, hand-stitched logo, stainless steel bottom studs. It's Italian top-grade suede leather with a silky touch in a rich saddle brown color. It's eco-friendly dyeing, ensures lasting color, and refined character-rich finish. If you guys want to check out anything from Fabrique, you can use the link in the description box. Thank you again to Fabrique for sponsoring this video. Every single item I talked about today will be in the description box. Let's get into the rest of it. Okay, next, these pants. If you get anything from this Fabrique haul, let it be these pants. They're basically sweatpants, but they look like suit trousers with the front pleats. They are so stretchy, so comfortable. I can wear them high-waisted or low-waisted because they're just that stretchy. Length is perfect on me for low-waisted or high-waisted. It like works both ways. This is how I've been wearing it, just with a white t-shirt because it's a bit warmer, but I'm so excited to wear them in the fall time with a sweater. The way I just like froze for so long in this video, I might cut that out. I'm so excited to wear it with a sweater and more layers and more accessories, and I love them with the loafers, but I've also been wearing them with those Blue Whales Bonner sneakers, just like any sneaker I've got right now in my closet. So I'm loving that. And then I think it looks so great with just the white t-shirt, but then also this like super dark blue sweater. I have like dark brown sweaters that would go so well, and like that in itself is a perfect Lainey outfit. Like that's what I wear every single day in the fall. These pants actually, don't most of us have the chair in our bedroom where you like throw clothes on it that aren't dirty but aren't like clean enough to go back in your closet because you just keep re-wearing them. I've been re-wearing these pants and I had to go fish them off my chair. I'm so into an ascot right now. I think my short hair helps it or makes me like it more and just like adds a little bit of coverage that I feel like I need sometimes. I feel so naked. So I really like the ascot, the pop of green with this, and obviously the suede bag looks perfect. I feel like sometimes when I do outfits videos and I have 5,000 shoes I'm picking from and 5,000 purses, it's just not as realistic. I love picking up the same bag over and over, and I'm not upset about picking this bag up over and over. I love this outfit. Like, it's crazy how much I like that outfit. Because it's so, like, there's not that much going on, but isn't it so cute? Okay. Next, this is another pair of trousers from Fabrique, but these are more of, like, a standard trouser. I paired it with this flowy white shirt, which I think is cute and it's fine, but I don't love it, and I think I wasn't loving it here either. I was trying to kind of save it with the belt, but it wasn't working. I like pairing, like, a white flouncy blouse with a pair of suit trousers. It's, like, one of my favorite outfit formulas. And you can do it with a loafer or sneaker, whatever fits that day. Like, the colors of this outfit work really well. But, like, the pants and the shoes are my favorite part. The top's not, where the top is kind of a big statement. I would wear this, I feel like, if I went to work every day and I was just, wanted to wear a different outfit. But I like this version a lot more casual, but that's just, like, who I am. What am I doing? Oh, I didn't even show the outfit. Why am I getting undressed? I'm tucking in the shirt. I'm so into playing with your clothes because if I would have kept it that first way, it like just wasn't as good. You need to tuck, untuck. You need to roll your sleeves, roll your pants. You need to try the belt on 7 different ways. You need to do all those things to make the perfect outfit or make it that much better. See, this is so much better. Just a high-waisted trouser and a t-shirt is like such a good look. And sometimes I'm just trying to do too much, especially when I'm filming outfit videos, because I don't want to just repeat the same things over and over for you guys. Sometimes like the tried and true works best. And I like it with this pop of yellow belt. Like, I love that this belt, I wear it backwards all the time, but I love that it just looks like a normal belt from the front and then it's like a little utilitarian from the back. I think it's like weird and kooky, but in the sense of still super practical, and people would like it or not like it, but I like it, and that's all that matters. Yeah, I love this. And the pop of blue sneaker just always helps so much. Okay, and then this is another pair of trousers from Fabrique. These ones are super high-waisted, and they're a little bit more fitted, so I dressed them up in a more dressed-up way. I paired them with this red striped long sleeve that I thrifted, and I really like how that looks, but I felt like I needed almost a little bit more boxy on top because the bottom of the pant is so wide. So I'm somebody who likes black and brown together. I just added this black leather jacket that like cuts so perfectly and my arms fit so well, and I normally don't like my jacket unzipped, but I actually love how this looks. I have brown leather boots on, but I don't think it matters at all because the brown leather and the pant like seem so well together and makes my leg look 5 billion miles long. the jacket. I think it looks so cute. You can't expect me to remember to do an outro when I'm not sick. Especially don't expect me to be able to remember to do one when I'm sick. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this kind of like second perspective, even though it's myself, oh my god, it's raining. I could definitely do more of these types of videos for you guys, but maybe a little more planned out, not me talking in the outfit clip as well. Remember to check out Fabrique. Everything will be linked in the description box that I talked about today, and I'll see you guys in a few days. I love you the absolute most. Bye.